Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So you guys know that we are busy with our Toyota Hilux 1987 SFA with a 4Y engine that we are running in here for now. Depends on you guys. If we reach 10,000 subscribers, I will be seeing if I can do an engine conversion, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, so yeah, we've got plenty of parts that we have ordered for our bakkie. Today I'm just going to go and show you, well, not today, now I'm just going to go and show you what we've ordered, just to keep you guys up to date, and as well just to make you curious for the next upcoming videos that is going to come, because the parts that I'm going to show you today will be the parts that we will be installing in the next 2-3 maybe videos, and it's quite a lot of work to do, and it's going to be big changes to our Hilux as well. I mean, I'm almost certain it's things that our Hilux or any Hilux has ever seen, actually, to be honest with you. So I don't know, it might be something new. Well, not the engine, just some few small things to the engine, some few small things to the, well, kind of big things to our bakkie. But the things that we have ordered is playing big parts in stuff that might be coming up in the future. I mean, this is not a bakkie that I'm going to sell soon. This is something that we're going to have a really long drive with, and many content that we're going to create with it. So I just believe that we should install the right parts while we can. So let's go into the house. I did ask my fiance, we're going to borrow the living room for a few minutes so that we can show you guys what we've ordered. So let's get to it. With this box, most of the things that I've ordered here is from Gang R, but we will be going through each and everything. I will explain to you what we bought where, and then as we go along, what's going for what. We have my fiance here, as well as Vicy. Hello, my liefie. Hello. Hello, my liefie cunt. Hello, my angel. Hi. Hi, my liefie. Hi. So, yeah, I want to get started with this. We've got some big things, small things, something of everything. So, let's start with as you can probably see, the BMC air filter. This air filter I ordered from Gang R. We are going to change our air filter setup as well on our 4Y engine. So, this is the BMC air filter that we will be running. And then we can go to the next item. Bought some Akrapovic tail pieces as well. You can see how beautiful this looks. This will not only be for our 4Y engine setup, but if we go in the future into something else, we do have some nice tailpipes as well. This I actually bought from Venom here in Woodbank. I think there's some other things I got from Venom as well. This is really nice quality, can't wait to fit them. Next up, let's remove this 2 packets right here. So starting with these, this I actually ordered from Temu because it was really cheap, and I just thought that I'm not going to lose this opportunity. So this I bought from Temu. The quality is really good. This is going to be our water overflow bottle that we're going to be using for our radiator setup, because I don't want to use that plastic water overflow bottles. So we have that, and then as well, if we move over to here, this I bought from Gang R as well. This is just an oil catch can, as I don't want my dirty oil fumes or anything of those type of odd to go back into my carburetor. And like I said, this is also something that we can use in the future for another project, whatever we're going to use in our bakkie. And then here we just have our heater valve. If anyone didn't know where to get a heater valve for your bakkie, I bought this from Toyota. There's the part number. There you go, 8724089115. This is just our heater valve. I didn't want to do the heater. I wanted to do a delete, but I decided, due to our cold winters and remembering how cold I got in my bakkie, with the heater not working due to the heater valve that was just really old and didn't work. So I decided I'm rather gonna fix my heater valve, because even though I do an engine swap, this is still gonna be my main heater valve to get the heater to work or not. So I decided to do this and get it done with. So this is our heater valve that we bought from Toyota. So next in line, I think I'm gonna take this big box out. So I'm just gonna put it right here. As you can see, this is a really big box, and this is our new radiator. It's quite massive. I mean, if you can see, compare it to my feet or even to those parts standing right there. This is a massive 3-core aluminium radiator that we will be using, as our previous radiator was full of rust, and yeah, it was just going to give us trouble sooner or later. So I decided that I'm going to change up my radiator with a nice big one, so that it can last us another few years without running into problems. And then going with that, I also have 2 identical fans. I believe this is 15-inch, if I'm not mistaken. So I decided to run 2 of them, so that you can keep the whole radiator nice and cool. So we're going to be running one this side and then running one on that side as well. So we will be having 2 nice fans keeping our radiator nice and cool. And then here you also have some of your equipment, just to run everything as you need to. So we have this fan, and then this I also got from Gang R, the fans, both of the fans, including the radiator. And then I also got some pipes. This is just some pipes that I got from Gang R as well. Well, not got, bought from them. This is just some bends, 45 degree, 90 degrees. And then we have some more pipes here. Like I said, once again, it's just 90s and 45s. And then I got some radiator clamps for the water pipes. And then, if I'm not mistaken, there should be my rubber joints as well, so I can join in my rubbers, my water pipes, instead of making it just one long pipe. And then next up, I have this fuse box. This was also ordered from from Temu. This is actually also quite cheap, and what's nice about this, you can now build your whole setup, your whole wiring diagram, loom, whatever you want, as you wish. So this is nice. Can't wait for us to do our wiring. This box is supposed to be for our spotlights, and yeah, I just think it's going to look quite nice, quite decent. And then we have our pipes for our water overflow bottle, as well as for our oil catch can as well. I think blue is going to look nice with the whole setup, as we have basically redone everything. Then here we just have our another fan. Here we have our bonnet spacers. This also ordered from Temu. Looks like really good quality. We'll see what this looks like as soon as we start installing it. Can't wait. I'm really excited to install everything. And then last but not least, we have more radiator pipes. This I bought from Venom. They assisted me with this pipes, as yeah, I couldn't find the proper length, and Venom assisted me. So hopefully we'll be able to finish up with that. And then we have our battery clamp as well. We had that old fuzzy thing, so we bought this brand new one as well from Temu. And then all that's left is just our stainless steel welding rods, especially for our radiator pipes, so that we can weld that nice and properly. And then here we have 2 more boxes. This is special boxes. And then as well, I've got some things here on the table as well. I'm not going to give too much detail to that. Like I said, maybe this is something that will come up once we reach the 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, it will be something for you guys to look forward to, and then as well for me just to be patient and see if you guys want to have the engine conversion or not. So yeah, this is it. This is everything that we have bought for our Bucky that must be installed in the next upcoming, like I said, 2 or 3 videos that will be coming really soon. So yeah, I'm happy, I'm stoked, I'm super excited. Like I said, we're going to transform this complete bakkie into just something completely different. I don't think this is something that everybody sees. So I believe we will also be able to enter for show and shine competitions as well, as we do spend a lot of time and small detail and redoing everything on our bakkie as well as on our engine. And I believe it's going to be a nice bakkie. I mean, I won't be shy opening up the hood. As you guys remembered, the reason why we started with all of this is due to that one simple reason. We had a really big rust area there at the bottom right there by the master cylinder for the clutch. And yeah, due to that we redid the whole engine bay, repainted everything, we redid our engine, and now we're just upgrading it. And then yeah, obviously the radiator as well. Well, the radiator would have been fine if I left it and didn't remove the engine, but it would have given us problems in the future in any way. So yeah, there's a big upgrade that's coming. Can't wait to show you guys. But yeah, I wanted to show you in this video everything that we've got, everything that we've bought for the bakkie that's going to come up really soon. So yeah, I'm excited. But for now I'm going to put my phone down, because I want to get this video uploaded as soon as possible, just to get you guys excited for what's coming up to start with. And then yeah, I'm going to start preparing on the next video. I'm going to start working on the next video now, so that I can start by putting everything on the bakkie that needs to be installed. So I'm happy, I'm excited. Let's get to it. So I'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned. Ciao.